Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save a comment on YouTube using your mobile app. And it's super easy and takes just a few seconds. So let's get started. First, you want to make sure that you're signed in to your YouTube account. Then open the YouTube app on your phone and go to the video that has the comment you want to save. For example, this one. Then you want to scroll through the comment sections until you find the one you'd like to keep. So let's go ahead and open comment section. All right, and once you spot it, all you have to do is just click on the three dot menu next to the comment, this one, three dot icon. From here, the option that to save the comment should appear just like this. You'll see a quick pop-up message confirming that the comment has been saved once you click this. And if you tap view on that message, YouTube will take you straight to your saved comments list so you can see it anytime. Keep in mind though that this feature is only available for those subscribed to YouTube. All right. And basically that's it. You've just learned how to save a comment on YouTube in a few easy steps. Perfect for keeping helpful tips, funny replies, or inspiring messages. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.